Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Rachel. Today I'll be sharing with you our investment account. I just want to show you what it looks like on Wealthsimple. So this is me signed in. This is my husband's portal. So when you sign in, this is the first page that it brings up. It welcomes you, and then you see 3 different tabs here. This one we use only during filing season, which is over, so we don't need this one right now. But then these 2 you can use any time of the year. All of it you can use throughout the year, but I don't use this one except it's filing season. And we used to use this one. That's the managed investing and save, where you just put in a fixed amount or any amount you have per time, and then the robo investor will just invest it for you. But I withdrew all the money from here, so there's nothing to see here. So let's go over to the one where we still manage ourselves. So this is the page here. You have the personal RRSP, which is the retirement account, and then the TFSA is the tax-free savings account. So for the personal, we don't have anything here right now. And for this one, if you've maxed out, let's say your RRSP and your TFSA, and you still want to trade or invest in stocks and all of that, then you can have funds here and then invest. But we haven't even maxed out any of these, so I don't see the point for this one right now. So for the RRSP, we only have one position in here as of right now. It's $624.02. And if you check down here, it shows you a graph of what the market has been doing in the past 1 day. It says it's down 2%. Past 1 week, it's down 0%. Past 1 month, it's down 7%. Past 3 months, it's down 6%. Past 1 year, it's down 19%. And all time, it's down 15%. So the market has been really down lately. In this account here, we only have one stock, and that's the Vanguard S&P 500 account. We have just 10 shares of it. As of today, the price of this stock is $59.37, and this is how much we currently have in here. This amount here is what we have available to trade, but because we only want this stock for now, we can't buy this one as of right now, just because it's higher than what we can afford. But recently I read, or I got an email saying that they now have fractions. Let's try to buy this one. Let's see if, oh, it has fractional shares. Should I do it? I guess so, just because this $30 is just gonna be there. So I'm just gonna buy fractional shares of $30.32. Buy. So it tells me to confirm the purchase, and it tells me this order will be filled by the end of the next trading day, because I'm filming this on a weekend, so the stock market is closed. So it's going to fulfill this order by Monday. I'm just going to confirm and done. So it's that easy, guys. It's that easy to buy stocks on Wealthsimple. So that's that about that. So let's move on to the other accounts. We've seen everything on this one. So now to the TFSA. What I love about this TFSA is it's called a tax-free savings account. So as long as you're within the limits that the government has set for you, right, no matter how much your investment earns, it grows tax-free. The government cannot touch it as long as it's, you know, within the limits that you put in, the limits that they've set for you. That's the great thing about this account. So in this account, it says we have a total of $5,494.04. Okay. In the past 1 day, it's gone down 1%. In the past 1 week, let's see, 0%. In the past 1 month, it's gone down 6%. In the past 3 months, it's gone down 5%. In the past 1 year, it's gone down 18%. In the past For all time it's gone down 14%. I'm not really bothered about this because we are long-term investors. All these accounts are really for our retirement, so I'm not really bothered about it per se. But of course, it will give me more joy to see it increase than decrease, but it doesn't really bother me right now. So in this portfolio here, we have Air Canada. Air Canada has been taking a hit for a while since the pandemic and everything. It hasn't recovered. It's gone down minus 35%. That's crazy. And then this Carnival Corp, it's gone down like, I think this is the worst performing stock that we have in this account right now. It's gone down minus 74%. It's gone down 74%. Canadian Tire has gone down 27%. Ryokan is gone down minus 18%. It's gone down 18%. TXF has gone down 34%. VDY, it's 11% down. VEE is 23% down. VUN is 9% down, and ZFL is 25%. This is the bond, so this one has been down for a while. I don't know, but we'll still continue to keep it just because we don't really want to sell. It's when you sell that you realize any loss or gain, so we're not ready for any loss or gain right now, so we'll just leave it. And this account here, if you notice, they are mostly ETFs, like exchange traded funds. They are not like single stocks. Mostly all of this contain multiple stocks in each of them, so that's what this whole portfolio is for. But if you see here, we have Air Canada, we have Carnival Corp, and we have Canadian Tire. These three are individual stocks. We're just waiting for them to recover so we can sell them off, because this portfolio, we're keeping it for just ETFs. And in here we have $13.40 available to trade. Honestly, we haven't put money in this account in some time, so this is just from dividends. We're dividend investors, in case I didn't mention that earlier. So all the stocks that we buy, they yield dividends some of them every month, some of them every quarter, like that. So any money you see here right now, $13.14, 40 cents, came from dividends. Well, I'm not really going to buy anything right now. I already have plans to buy something by the end of this month. I put it in the budget, so I would buy that towards the end of the month. For now, I'm just showing you what the portfolio looks like. Yeah, so that's it. In this portfolio here, we have 9 positions in this portfolio. We have just one in this one. So overall, we have $6,118.06 in this account. All right, so that's it for this account. I'm just going to sign out so I can go onto my own side if it's going to log me out. All right, so that's that for that one. So this is the second account here. It also has 3 tabs. The last tab here is just for filing taxes. This one over here is if you want Wealthsimple to manage your investments for you. And then this one is like a self-managing account. You manage your account yourself. So you can buy stocks, ETFs, and crypto in this one. And that's the one we use for now. So in this account here, we have a total of $7,723.77. Nothing in the personal account, just because we haven't maxed out this or this yet, so there's no point for that right now. The RRSP also has just 1 position, while the TFSA in this one has 10 positions. So let's start with the RRSP. So here we also have the S&P 500. It's currently sold at $88.41. We have a total of 8 shares in here, and we also have $13.90 here. Let me see if this one also has fractional shares. Let me see. Oh, it does. When you see this sign here, it tells me that it does, so I'm just going to do it. I'm going to buy $13 and 90 cents of this, just so that the money can be added to the one that is already in the market, so that it doesn't just sit there and do nothing. So I'm just going to buy however many. So it's estimating the quantity will be 0.1572, which is fine, but it's not going to do it. It's not going to put the trade in today because it's a weekend, but I'll confirm it so that whenever the new market, when the market opens, you can just place my order for me. So let's go over to the other portfolio here, which is the TFSA. So in here we have 10 positions or 10 stocks. So in this one we have mostly single stocks, if not all. We have AQN right now is down 21%. BCE, which is Bell Canada, is down 7%. CM, which is CIBC, is down 19%. DFN is down 18%. EIT is up. Okay, that's the only one that is up right now. Is up 1%. Enbridge is down 8%. ENS is down 1.5%. Powercore is down 18%. SRU is down 13%, and TD is down 8%. So like I said earlier, the market is doing terribly right now, but we are not really going to care about that because we are long-term investors and we're in it for, you know, till retirement, hopefully. So we don't really care for now. In the long run, your investment will, you know, continue to grow. There will be some dips, and those dips are the opportunities you have to buy. But right now, I don't have the money to put in the market, so it's just going to remain as it is. When we have the money, we'll put in. When the $100 is available by the end of the month, we'll put it in somewhere. So how I choose the stocks that we're going to buy, I do some research on the top dividend companies, dividend paying companies, because I love dividends. No matter what the market is doing, you'll still be getting something either every month, every quarter, you know. So I really love to see those nickels and pennies coming. Like just yesterday, I got some emails about some dividends. So these are the dividends here, because I haven't put any money in here for some time. So that's what this is. So when I check and I see that, oh, this company has been growing their dividends amongst some other criteria, of course. They've been growing their dividend for some time. The company is solid. They've been in existence for years. I already know no company is immune to bad things happening to them. So it's possible that they can go down, I know. But, you know, I just check their track records and then I choose a company. So I've done a lot of research on these ones. All the stocks that I have here, I've done a lot of research on them. And we've chosen these 10 as our long-term investing companies. So all of these stocks here pay dividends. Some of them pay monthly, some of them quarterly, and I love that. So no matter what these figures look like, I don't care. As long as they continue to pay me every month or every quarter, we're good. So when I have some small change and I want to put the money in any of this, I just check for the one that is down the highest. So in this portfolio here, the one that has the lowest dip is AQN. So if I were to buy today, of which I feel like I should, because I have 28 here and this is 14, so it's about half already. So let's buy. Oh no, I clicked on the wrong button. So to buy, you click on the actual stock itself. Make sure this is on buy, and then make sure that the account you're trying to buy in says it right here, because if it was another account, it would just buy into that account there. So I always make sure that it's on the right account here, and then I just select the number. So if I say 2 stocks, it gives me this amount here. It's too high, it's higher than what I have, so I'm just going to do 1. So I can buy 1 AQN at least today. It will fulfill it on Monday. Then let's go back. I think I still have a few coins left. I have $13 left. So let's see. In this case here, I can buy DFN. I feel like that's the cheapest. Alright, so DFN is really down right now, so let me buy DFN. It's on TFSA. So that one I can buy two, can I? I can actually buy two, but it won't let me buy it at once because it's too close. So I'll buy one first. Confirm that one. Then I'll go in and buy another one. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's telling me I don't have enough. So let's go back to the portfolio to see. Well, I could try again to just be sure that it's not gonna let me. Let me try one more time. Oh, I see why. I only have 644 and the stock is 662. That's why it didn't let me. Oh well. So in this TFSA now we have $7,002.59. In the last one day, it's gone up 0 point something percent. In the last 1 week, it went up 1%. In the last 1 month, it was down 8%. In the last 3 months, it was down 3%. In the last 1 year, it went up 4%. And overall, it's gone up 17%. So that's not too bad, but not great either, because all the stocks in here are down except the EIT. So yeah, that's it. That's our stock portfolio for now. Hopefully we're able to start adding money back in because we took a long break for some time, but hopefully we're able to kick off again and start adding money into it. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, please like this video, and please leave a comment. Do you invest your money? How do you invest? Do you use like a robo advisor or do you do it yourself? I would really like to know. Please drop a comment in the comment section. So I post videos about our financial journey, so our net worth tracking, debt updates, monthly budget, and videos like that. In the next video, I'll be sharing with you my vacation budget. I set up a budget for my vacation for the trip that I'm going on next week, so I'll be sharing that with you. Stay tuned. Thank you and have a good day.